gorgeous view like this. Maybe it's of a golf course, maybe it's of a lake, maybe it's a beautiful desert scene, whatever it is. Have you ever wanted to make it bigger? More space, more view? I'm gonna show you what that takes.
Desert King Windows, we knock out the weather.
All right, so we're out here at this full house renovation here. We're doing the windows and doors part of it, and this is something that comes up all the time with customers. I would love for that window to be a door. I want more view, more space because I have a gorgeous view. So this is a perfect time to do it and a perfect way to do it. There's a couple of different ways you can go about it. One, is it a cut down, meaning we're using the existing header, or in this case a lintel, or is it a full reframe, okay? This one is a straight cut down. The difference between the two is, are we using the existing header? In this case, it's actually a steel lintel, because we have block, okay? So we have a steel lintel for the header. So basically you can go with something along these lines, which is just a straight cut down, or you can do what's called a reframe. Now reframe is we're reconstructing the entire hole and basically reconstructing the entire wall. It definitely costs more. I wouldn't say much more, but it definitely costs more. This right here we were able to save the homeowner a lot of labor. What's involved in a straight cut down is everything stays the same, the top and the sides stay the exact same, we just go straight down with it. So what that means is rerouting electrical. To code, this is important to stay to code, especially with electrical. Those codes are there to protect you from your house catching on fire and stuff like that. And it gets rerun all the way around the opening, okay? Instead of trying to sneak through it, instead of trying to go between maybe the new door and the header, then the fun part, the demo, which is what's about to happen here. Where this window, gone. This block gets cut out straight down. Now typically the stem wall, so you have the slab right here, typically the stem wall on the outside is not necessarily poured perfectly for the look of a patio door to go on. So we're gonna show you how that works. It's basically sometimes a new one needs to be poured, or if it's not a big deal to the homeowner, we can leave it as is and save a concrete guy, okay? So that's no problem there. Now once all this is out, now we have our brand new what's called an RO, rough opening, our brand new opening here. And we can put in whatever you want. In this case, it's gonna be a big sliding door, so it's gonna be 2 giant panels, and you're gonna have a beautiful view out there, but it's gonna be with low E coatings on there. I believe this one that's going in here is low E4, so it's 4 coats of low E. That's gonna keep out all the heat, all of the cold, but still allow for that beautiful view. No sunscreens, no living in a cave, no big blinds to shut because it's too hot outside. This is going to be the perfect situation for that. So let's see the finished product.
We use the best windows, 'cause nothing works better. Desert King Windows, we knock out the weather.